We got a chimney rebuild for you guys today. We're going to be tearing it completely down to roof height and rebuilding it for you guys all in one video. It's going to be a step-by-step video, instructional, and completely explain thoroughly how to do it so you can rebuild your own today. It's going to take about 2.5 minutes if you can bear with us. Now we start with the demo process. Yours should not be this easy to demo. As you can see, it's completely broken down. I'm tearing this entire chimney down using nothing more than a single hand. I'm literally videoing with the other hand and taking it down brick by brick with my hands. That's how you know it's 100% time to go. I'm even pulling the flue cap off. Everything is coming off. The flue pipes, everything are coming off without as much as a hammer. Don't need anything. You guys should use a hammer, a chisel, a small chipping hammer, but since this was so rotted, it didn't need anything, we're going. The goal was to take it down to the roof height, but you got to see how deteriorated it is below. Chances are you're going to have to go a little bit lower than that and see where you end up. Go down until you find solid ground. As you can see, we're well below, but it's solid. Here's all the brick we're going to be rebuilding with. We're going to throw them up the roof one by one, as shown. You could use a wheel and pulley system, which we typically use, but for this, we just tossed them right on up. So we do our first couple courses. We use type M mortar, sand, water, and acrylic fortifier in our mix. Then we lay our flue pipe in. We level it. We want plumb and level on this as we run. And we go on the inside and we clean up any snots that fell. And then we continue building onwards and upwards through the roof line. It's one course on the side, 2 courses in the front, and then 2 courses on the side and 1 in the front. You stagger as you go. You lay out with your brick level to course out. Then you do your joints as you go. Again, you have to constantly check your plumb, your level, and your square as you erect through the roof. Now that will be reflashed. Now don't worry about the roof, guys. I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of comments complaining about not covering these shingles. Well, the way we work is we always do the chimney first, I don't know about you guys, and then we redo the roof when necessary. This roof 100% needs to be redone. As you can see, there's a giant hole in it. That's why that tarp is there. So the roof is going to be redone after the chimney is built, which is the way to do it. Anyway, as we move onwards and upwards, we want to get to a cap. We step out once and then twice, and then we step back in. So we have 1 out, 1 further out, and then 1 back in to create our cap. Then we use our rapid set mortar mix to set our cap, and then we float it out. That is a non-shrink grout, so it will not crack. We hit it with some Acryl 60 as well. We float it out, and we shrink wrap until the roof and flashing are done so no water gets inside the home, and there's some rain coming, so we wrap the entire thing in plastic.